Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a spec comparison between the Moto E4 and the Moto E5 Play. Let's put these two phones side by side and see which one has the better specs. Jumping right in, we always start with software, and the E5 is the newer phone. It just came out, so it does have the latest Android Oreo 8.0, so it does take it for that category. When it comes to screen size, you are getting a 0.2 inch extra on the screen, so that definitely allows the E5 to also take that category. When it comes to camera, they both have a 5 megapixel front, 8 rear, so that's an easy tie. When it comes to internal memory, of the 16 gigs, you get about 8.5 gigs on both phones, so that's a tie. They also have the same expandability with the micro SD card up to 128 gigabyte. Battery wise, they're both 2800 milliamp. They advertise that it's like a day and a half, but really you should get a solid day with that 2800. Both have a quad core processor, 1.4 gigahertz. RAM is going to be 2 gigs, and not too much on the extras aside from just the multitasking. So this was a super quick spec comparison. The E5 Play is supposed to be a upgrade from the E4, and basically you're getting, you know, a newer version of Android and a slightly larger screen. So if those two things are important to you, it might be worth the upgrade to the new Moto E5 Play. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.